Hi, I'm Tom from Wakefield Music Tuition. Today I want to talk about getting started playing with other musicians. I'll share a few ways to ease into it, even if you're still very much a beginner. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you right now. This is the 8th video in a series where I address students' common problems and give tips to provide guidance and encouragement. Whether you study music with me or whether you found this video through the algorithm, I hope you'll find something useful that you can take away. Let's begin. A lot of beginners get very nervous about the idea of playing with other people. They might tell me their thoughts and say things like, "I'm not good enough yet," or "I'll just hold everyone back." And that's very common. But playing with others is one of the quickest ways to improve. It puts your timing, listening and general awareness to the test in a way that practising on your own never quite does. Even something simple like a short jam with a friend, a school band rehearsal or playing in a community group can teach you a huge amount. You start to notice how parts fit together, how loud or quiet you need to be and how important it is to stay in time. Those are the things that are hard to fully appreciate when you practice on your own. There's no need to wait until you feel ready. That moment usually never arrives. Playing with other people is a skill in itself and it only develops by actually doing it. Starting earlier just means you get more comfortable with it sooner. It also tends to make your practice more focused because it becomes clearer what things you need to work on. Start small. One song at a jam night or a school band, or one simple rhythm part in a group is more than enough. You don't need to be perfect. Being part of the music, keeping things steady and learning as you go is what really matters. And your confidence will build naturally over time. When you play with other musicians, listening is the most important thing that you can do. It's not about showing off how much you know or how many notes that you can play. It's about fitting in and supporting what's already happening. Keep your part simple. Focus on the pulse and try to stay in time. If you're unsure, it might be better to play less rather than more. Leaving space and staying solid will sound far better than trying to fill every gap. Pay attention to what the rest of the group is doing. Notice who's leading, where the accents are, and how the music changes. Playing together is like a conversation. You listen, you respond, and you adjust as you go. If you're feeling nervous, a good place to start is with very simple parts. Root notes, basic rhythms, or straightforward chord patterns. This will help you stay locked in while you get used to the situation. You can always add more later. If you can, start by playing with people at a similar level to you, or with more experienced musicians who are supportive. Playing alongside someone with good timing and feel helps you learn just by being there as you watch and take in what they do. Mistakes are expected and everyone makes them, even very experienced players. What matters is turning up, having a go and contributing something steady. Simple parts done well are far more useful than complicated ones that fall apart. You don't need to go out joining bands straight away. Just playing with a friend, joining a school group or going to a friendly jam night are all great ways to get started. The most important thing is playing with real people in real time and learning from the experience. Mistakes are part of playing with others, and that's a good thing. If something goes wrong, keep going. Listen, find the beat again and carry on. Learning how to recover from mistakes is just as important as learning how to play things correctly in the first place. If you can, record rehearsals or jam sessions. Listening back can be really helpful. You'll hear where things felt solid, where timing drifted, and what you might want to work on next. But try not to be overly critical, just treat it as information. Communication on stage is something you'll want to develop too. counting in clearly, giving appropriate nods or making eye contact with other musicians. These are all things that can make a big difference to how a song goes. Playing music with others is very much a shared effort. The great thing is, you don't need to wait until everything feels perfect. Just start where you are now. Go to a jam night, join a school band or a community group, or just set up a casual session with someone that you know. Focus on listening, keep your part steady, and aim to support the music. Even small wins like staying in time for a whole song are progress. Every musician that you admire started out in exactly this position. Turning up, having a go, and learning from the experience is how things move forward. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. So don't worry about waiting until you feel ready. Just find a few people and start playing with them. You'll learn as you go. And before long, you'll realise that you're picking things up much faster and hearing music differently. That's it for today. If this has been useful, feel free to subscribe for more playing tips. Leave me a comment and let me know if there's something you'd like me to cover in a future video. If you'd like to find out more about my tuition, you can visit my website. The link's in the description. You'll find details about how my lessons work, my availability, and how I can help you with your instrument. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.